Hello and welcome back to Safety Shorts with Team 9010. Previous Safety Short episodes, we discussed the importance of proper safety equipment, tool accountability, and having the right tool for the job, and checklist. In this episode, we will bring all of this together and discuss order of operations. Now, I know what you're thinking, math? But don't worry, we're not talking about the rules used for math and computer programming. But, more fundamentally, we are talking about a series of steps or procedures to perform a task to completion. Basically, it's a recipe. However, it is a much more complicated recipe. So using food as an example, let's look at the complete order of operations for cooking pasta. If you look at the recipe to cook pasta, it does not seem too complex, as there is really only 5 or 6 steps. But if we were to compare this process to a robot build, a home DIY task, or the LEGO Millennium Falcon build, and apply a full order of operations, well, this seemingly easy task actually becomes quite complicated if you include all the steps, equipment, and tools. It would go something like this.
As you can see, once you add safety equipment, tools, and tool accountability along with a checklist, we go from 5 or 6 steps to 20. Not to mention, we didn't even specify ingredient amounts, which adds even more detail and complexity. So, how does cooking pasta relate to building a robot or any other complex task? If you have ever cooked pasta before, this level of detail will most definitely save you from ruining, damaging your project, or even harming yourself. If you've never cooked pasta before, and let's say you don't have an order of operations, let's see what could happen. Let's say you skip step 5 and try to cook the pasta without water and leave it unattended. Well, that can have catastrophic results by possibly causing a fire. The more complicated the task or assembly, the more crucial having an order of operations is.
Hopefully you will consider using an order of operations for your next task. This has been Safety Shorts with Team 9010. Good luck this season.